Okay, what is our project today? Kaboom. I'm going to show you how to put this thing together. Look at this. That's quite cool. Mommy ordered that online. She's got some of her exercise stuff here from the COVID virus and stuff. She's been doing workouts from home. She's got a membership where she goes, and then now they're doing it on TV, and she wanted a place for her stuff. And so she thought, I want some boxes. So she ordered these online, and you know, I was like, why are you getting the box now? Because what's going to happen in a couple weeks, her gym's going to be opening again. Now she's going to have all this stuff here, but hey, I can use it too now. And I thought, I didn't want to put these out here on the wall. I'm not quite sure what we're going to do in this room just yet. We might even take the carpet back and put some padding down on the floor or something for an exercise type area. I'm not quite sure, but that box, we've got a little closet here underneath the stairs. Here's the staircase. Here's the staircase over here. And they had this nice little closet that kind of comes down here, and we've kind of got this set up for her. She comes down here and meditates. We've got little candles there and all kinds of stuff. But I figured we could put those boxes right up against this wall. Boom, boom. And see, here's the other box right here. Yes. We've got to put this together, and I'll show you how to do that right now.